Hey guys, this is Chadley again with MetalWorks with another update on our 63 Riviera Protouring build. Kind of a three-step video here. We start out with the final assembly of the chassis as well as getting the LS7 put together and installed. Then we jump over to the body shop where Heath takes all the components such as the door skins, deck lid, hood, things like that through the cut and buff process, starting out with that 600 grit all the way up through 5,000 grit. And then lastly is kind of the big day where we set the body of the Riviera on its Art Morrison chassis. So got a bunch of footage for you guys to check out. Let's jump on into it. All right, you can see Aaron has started the assembly of the Art Morrison chassis. He's got the driver's side assembled here, the upper and lower A-arms and the spindle. The DSE steering rack is in place. Now he's working on the passenger side. He also has hard lines and brake lines ran. Getting everything laid out to start assembling the rear half of the chassis.
Stop right there. We'll go back up a little bit. Right there. Close. For those, sorry, Tony.
The headers are mounted, ultimate headers. Guys are starting to run the exhaust on the chassis.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Tony's getting the IRS suspension of the chassis assembled. Here we can see Keith has moved on to the cut and buff and polish on the components. Here he's working on the deck lid in 600 grit. So this is the initial grit that he's working on, and he'll work his way up to 5,000 again.
Well, that was one of the stabilizers of the relationship with situation is absolutely dangerous. And the U.S. utilizes
So that tax came in. Right then. So it's three things right in a row. Boom, boom, boom.
So Heath working on the hood, and I think this is the last piece, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Be done with this thing.
All right, Justin is getting ready to install the Dynamat sound deadening into the floors of the Riviera. You can see all the hand-built floors by Joe. Kind of a shame to cover them up. We got to get the sound deadening in there. Alright, exciting day. The guys are getting ready to set the Riviera body onto the Art Morrison chassis.
Tires still rub really bad.
Really?
But we knew that.
We need to change the studs.
No, we need to, well, it's either that or change the inner part of the barrel.
Well, it'll sell too. It'll sell out a little bit, but not a lot.
Maybe it's just towed in, puckered up.
You like the wheel though, right?
Alright, so the Riviera body is bolted down to the Art Morrison chassis. And we got the Riviera in the assembly bay. So Justin is still working on the Dynamat sound deadening. So he's got it up in the roof of the car. Alright guys, that's where things stand on the 63 Riviera build. Thanks for checking things out. We'll have another video for you guys real soon. Take care.